She laughed when Ava Mercer walked into court in full U.S. Army camouflage, boots still dusty from the field. She insulted her without even looking at her. Guess the Army doesn't teach dress codes. She mocked her medals. Probably got those for just showing up on time. Her lawyers smirked. CEO Victor Hale leaned back in his chair, arms folded, certain this would be over in minutes. But when Judge Robert Langston spoke, the air in the room changed. Sergeant First Class Ava Mercer had served 15 years in the U.S. Army. 4 tours overseas, multiple life-saving commendations. The kind of woman who didn't seek attention, just kept doing her duty. When she came home, she worked as a night operations supervisor for Kingston Robotics, a warehouse full of sensitive high-tech equipment. To management, she was just another ex-military veteran overqualified for a low-paying job. Until one night everything went wrong. It was just after midnight when Mercer noticed a faint beeping coming from one of the storage bays. When she checked the panel, her training kicked in instantly. The beeping wasn't from warehouse equipment. It was the timer on an explosive device. The security system had been hacked. The alarms were disabled. Most employees had gone home except for 6 engineers working a late shift on a prototype worth millions. She had less than 3 minutes. Mercer ordered everyone out. But the engineers panicked, insisting they needed to secure the equipment first. There was no time, so Mercer made a choice. She grabbed the device, sprinted across the loading yard, and hurled it into the open field behind the property. The explosion lit up the night sky, shattering windows and knocking her to the ground. Shrapnel tore into her side. Her hearing was damaged, but no one else was hurt. The police called her a hero. The bomb squad said her actions prevented a disaster that could have killed everyone in the building. The company fired her. Why? Because she removed company property without authorization, violated safety procedures, compromised evidence. No severance, no benefits, just gone. Mercer didn't fight it until one of those engineers, Ethan Cole, a man she shielded from the blast, came forward. He contacted a veterans advocacy group who found her a lawyer. In court, attorney Marissa Caldwell sneered. Ms. Mercer acted recklessly. She's not in a combat zone anymore. This is a workplace. Judge Langston, a calm older man with steel gray hair, set down his pen. You're telling me she should have let 6 people die? That's not the issue, Caldwell said. It's the only issue, the judge shot back. This woman recognized an imminent threat, acted in seconds, and saved lives. The fact that your policies punish that speaks volumes about your leadership. He turned to Mercer. Sergeant Mercer, your courage here matches anything I've read from your service record. The verdict: full reinstatement, triple back pay, and a separate payout for medical damages, all to be paid within 30 days. Ethan Cole hugged Mercer. You took the blast for us. We'll never forget that. Mercer gave a quiet nod. I just did what had to be done. But no one liked and subscribed the soldier.